Hello, amazing community. Welcome to another episode. I am thrilled you are here, so let's jump straight into the content. Elson Sangu's debut in the series Time Goes By instantly made her a household name, even though she played a villainous character. Following this, the actress took on the role of Nahir in What's Love Got to Do with It? And Ida in A Love Story. However, her breakthrough came with the historical drama series Kurt Say It Vera, where she portrayed Wild Z, the sister of the main character, who secretly harbored feelings for Cello. This role resonated deeply with viewers and solidified her place in the industry. In the series Love Me As I Am, which unfortunately failed and was cancelled, Elson gained valuable experience. During the filming process, she even learned horseback riding, a skill she believes will be useful in the future. The actress didn't dwell on the project's failure, viewing it as an important step in her career. In 2015, she starred in the leading role of the highly popular series Rent a Love. Her character, Daphne Topal, is a waitress who unexpectedly gets caught up in an adventurous scheme filled with love and intrigue. She shared the screen with actor Bar Ardous, who played Irma Plixie. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you soon!